Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest ways to make money online. Today, we're diving into the top 5 online earning ideas that you can start right now to boost your income and maybe even quit that 9 to 5 grind. So without further ado, let's jump right in. At number 5, we have freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or a marketing whiz, there are countless platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can showcase your skills and land gigs from clients all around the world. It's flexible, it's diverse, and it's a fantastic way to monetize your talents on your own terms. Coming in at number 4, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. With affiliate programs offered by giants like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale, the earning potential is virtually limitless. Plus, you can do it from the comfort of your own home with just a laptop and an internet connection. Next up at number 3, we have online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with the world and get paid for it? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow you to create and sell online courses, ebooks, templates, and more. It's a fantastic way to leverage your skills and create passive income streams that can generate revenue 24/7. At number 2, we have dropshipping. This e-commerce model has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. With dropshipping, you can sell products to customers without ever having to hold inventory or deal with shipping hassles. Simply set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, find reliable suppliers on AliExpress or Oberlo, and start marketing your products to a global audience. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. And finally, at the top spot, we have YouTube channel monetization. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular niche, why not share it with the world and get paid for it? With YouTube's partner program, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and channel memberships. Plus, you have the opportunity to build a loyal audience and create a sustainable income stream over time. So grab your camera, hit record, and start creating content that resonates with your audience. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 online earning ideas to help you kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time.